Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. My name is Meyson. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily install and use my eyes and teeth whitening action. It's something I put out a couple days ago and I've gone over 1,000 downloads. You guys rock. Yeah, so let's just get straight into this video. But before we do that, I also have a skin tone lock pack for medium to dark skin tones that I put out recently. If you guys haven't checked that out, check it out. And I'm just going to show you quickly how you can use it to color grade your image. So this image has been retouched, but it is not color graded yet. So all you have to do is buy the skin tone lot and put it in a place on your computer where you can easily access it. Then you're just going to come down here to your adjustment layers, and from your adjustment layers just click color lookup. Once you are in color lookup, you have to load a 3D lot, and this right here, these are the lots. So we're just going to start with one and see what one looks like. This is what one looks like. Let's just try another one. Let's see what two looks like. This is two, and let's see what three looks like. Three. Let's see what four looks like. You can just keep going till you find something that works for you, but I'm just showing you guys this is a simple and easy way to just grade that image, grade your skin tones, get it to look as good as possible. So yeah, so this is what this looks like. So maybe we're just going to stick with this one and just go forward with this image. Now for this image, what I really want to do, like I said, is whiten the eyes, right? And I have an action. All you have to do is put it somewhere in your system. I have it right here. You have to double click it. Once you double click it, it automatically installs into your Photoshop. And once you're in Photoshop, just come to your actions panel and look for it. For me, this is it, eyes and teeth whitening. I'm just going to click it. Once I've clicked it, it is in a folder right here. So now I'm just going to come down, make sure that my photo filter is selected, and make sure that my mask is selected, right? Then I'll pick a brush, make sure it's a normal Photoshop brush, a soft white brush. That's what I'm going to pick. I'm going to pick a soft white brush. Make sure my flow is at 100 and my opacity is at 100. So I'm just going to zoom into her eyes and I'm just going to paint in. Like I said, make sure you are painting on the photo filter mask. The amazing thing about this action is it does not make the eyes look pale. It just makes it look white. You can still see the vein in the eyes. Her eyes are not just black and white, and it just makes it look as natural as possible, right? Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is make sure that my flow is set to a very low number, probably like 10, and I'm going to come down to her teeth. The reason is because you just don't want the teeth to look too white, right? So now that I'm here, I'm just going to paint in white again, and this just makes the teeth look really natural. So yeah, that's it. Simple and easy, eyes whitening and teeth whitening action, just simple, easy, and it just gets your images looking really great. Like I said, over 1,000 downloads. You guys rock. Yeah, but yeah, that's about it. This is just really easy and simple to use. And like I said before at the beginning of the video, if you haven't checked out my skin tone lots, definitely check it out. If you're buying it, then you're definitely supporting the channel, and I really appreciate that. So thank you so much. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have an amazing week. Peace.